Hi friends, the world of international trade moves fast, but nothing stops a shipment quicker than a missing document. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complex web of myriad of documents like bills of lading, shipping bills, and letters of credit? What if you could master the entire export documentation cycle from any country to any destination in just 4 sessions, spread over just 2 days? I am Dr. Vijesh Jain with more than 3 decades of industry experience as trade consultant and trainer. I have helped more than 150,000 students worldwide navigate the global markets. I founded this company, EBZ Consulting, to bridge the gap between academic theory and the high stakes reality of trade compliance. In this particular course, we will cut through the jargon. I have condensed my decades of experience into this high impact 2 day learning map. We will cover in this course things like principal and auxiliary documents, how to prepare them and without errors, the banking handshake, mastering things like letter of credits, bank drafts, and the electronic BRCs. And we will also cover regulatory secrets of export documentation, navigating the customs and BCPs, border control and protection, export controls, and how to handle the GST, VAT, and duty drawbacks wherever it is there. And this course is highlighted by the universal application. Whether you are exporting from India or you are exporting from the US or from the EU, these principles that I am going to teach you in this particular course are your global passport. Now, who is the target audience of this course? Entrepreneurs. Those entrepreneurs who are ready to take their products worldwide. Corporate professionals who are aiming for promotions in logistics or supply chain, and the students who are looking for a practical industry ready skill. If you value time and want a more than 98% audit ready compliance status, this is your course. Don't let paperwork be the barrier to your global success. Join me and let's turn you into an export documentation expert in just 2 days. I will see you inside the course.